Hi guys! Today we're not going to run in the road. We're going to talk about the character Ninja, and we're going to talk about the skateboard, the special power Zip Zap Way. Okay, let's go. First, we have enough money to buy the character Ninja. Everybody loves a big party advancement complete. And then we have some keys, right? And we are going to use this key to buy the special power Zip Zap Way. Okay, you can turn on and turn off it. I'm on now because there's a correct sign over here. You can press turn off. Now it's off. I'll turn on like this. I'll turn off first. That's the ninja. Let's try it. That's the turn off. So that's looking cool, right? So yeah. It's called handbag. Die really quick. And now we're going to try the turn off. The turn on menu. That's looking cool right now. But actually, the Zip Zap Way can give you a really